jump around, just like the Higglytown heroes. They all work together, making fun together. Come see the Higglytown heroes. Eubie, Wayne, Twinkle, Kip, and Fran all hop and pop around. Soon they'll learn about real heroes, who and why and how. Now, here in Higglytown, we'll all jump around and meet the Higglytown heroes. We'll all work together, having fun together with all the Higglytown heroes. Let's all play together, save the day together. Come join the Higglytown heroes.
Canyon Capers.
Whoa, look at those salt and pepper higgly bats go! You know, kids, it's easy to spot salt and pepper higgly bats in the wild because of their color. They're white with black spots.
Actually, Mr. Kip's dad, aren't they white with black and black with white spots?
Well, what do you know? You're right. But I bet you didn't know they've got a real sweet tooth for strawberries.
Actually, Mr. Kip's dad, I think their favorite snack is Higgly Berries.
Higgly berries? No, I'm quite sure that... You're right again. Boy, you sure know a lot about these higgly bats, Eubie.
That's because after birds, they're my favorite flying animal.
I can't wait to get to Grand Higgly Canyon to see real salt and pepper higgly bats up close. With binoculars. Hey, I think I see one coming our way right now. But it's not flying. It's hopping.
Hopping?
Yeah, and it's not black with white spots. It's brown with fur.
Brown with fur? Are you sure it's a bat?
Nope, it's Fran.
Oh, you betcha. Fran's my name and water's my game. Here you go, kids. I put enough in these here canteens to wet the whistles of a whole waggle of wallabies, don't you know?
Great! Now if we're all watered, rested, and ready, what do you say we hop back in the old Fripmobile and get back on the road? There's a bat cave waiting for us in Grand Higgly Canyon with our names on it.
Then what are we waiting for, Dad? Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh.
Will you feast your peepers on that view?
It's so fan-wonder-beautiful-tastic.
Yeah, and it's so big and deep.
They don't call it Grand Higgly Canyon for nothing. So what do you say we head over to the bat caves and see ourselves some salt and pepper higgly bats?
Actually, Mr. Kip's dad, aren't salt and pepper higgly bats nocturnal?
Nocturnal?
Yeah, they sleep in the day and don't wake up until sunset.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Every day, exactly at sunset, the bats wake up and fly out of their cave.
Yep. And what with sundown being a couple of hours away, those bats are still off in dreamland.
So what should we do until they wake up?
Why don't we explore Grand Higgly Canyon? After all, a canyon is more than just a hole, don't you know? No giant gopher or prairie dogs.
No army ants with shovels dug this canyon deep for all to see. It started out tiny,
And it grew over time
to the hole that you see down below. It's much more than a hole.
Don't you know?
A canyon is more than a hole.
Don't you know? The question is, how low can you go? How low?
A phenomena of nature we can see
Down below. A canyon is more than a hole.
Mother Nature has three good friends.
water, wind, and erosion. They work hand in hand over time.
A tiny little stream
Had a big river dream and grew into the canyon down below. It's much more than a hole.
Don't you know?
A canyon is more than a hole.
Don't you know? The question is, how low can you go? How low?
A phenomena of nature we can see
Down below. A canyon is more than a hole.
You see, kids, The canyon started as a little stream,
And over thousands of years, it carved its way through the ground.
getting bigger and deeper.
And that's why a canyon is more than a hole.
Don't you know? The question is, how low can you go? How low?
A phenomena of nature we can see.
Down below. A canyon is more than a hole. A canyon is more than a hole.
Boy, look how far we are from the top of the canyon.
Yep, we're pretty deep down in the ground, don't you know?
No wonder it took so long to get down here.
Still got energy to go exploring?
Yeah!
Then let's find a pint-sized trail for pint-sized trailblazers. Well, there's the Sidewinder Trail for hikers who've got all day. And there's the Scorpion Trail, well, but it's for advanced hikers only. Here's a trail that might work for us. It's a little loop called the Roadrunner Trail. It's the quickest trail in the canyon.
Sounds perfect, Dad.
Then let's hop to it.
Follow me, guys. We're headed due north. No, wait. Now we're going south. Actually, I'm not sure which way we're going.
That's all right, son. As long as we stay on the path and follow the signs, we're going the right direction. See? Like this.
Shh. Look, guys. There's a jackrabbit.
It's under the trail sign. I see him. I see him. Wow, look at him go. Up the cliff, past a waterfall, through the shrubs and onto the rim, right up to Pizza Guy.
Pizza Guy! He's waving to us.
Now what is he doing?
He's pointing to his hand and flapping his arms. Do you think he's trying to fly? Or teach us a new secret handshake? Are we doing it right, Pizza Guy?
Maybe he's flapping his arms because he's hot? Oh no, I hope he didn't forget his canteen.
Actually, kids, I think Pizza Guy's trying to tell us something.
It's bat time, little Higgly hikers. Hey, bat time!
Bath time? Oh, bat time! Good gravy, Pizza Guy's right. It's almost sundown. We gotta scurry back up to the top of the canyon if we're gonna catch those salt and pepper higgly bats hitting the skies.
But it took so long to hike down here.
And it's gonna take even longer to go back up. Plus, all this canyon exploring has tired me out.
You and me both, Kip.
If only there was an easy way we could get back up there.
Ooh, I know. All we have to do is find the Grand Higgly Canyon Volleyball Court, where they're having the annual Cactus Volleyball Tournament. When we tell these prickly players our problem, they'll stop their game and jump into action. Working together like a team, they will make a super tall tower of tumbleweed balls. Then Upsy-Daisy will go and ride up, all the way to the top.
That's a fan-cactus idea there, Twinkle. But I'm afraid you're a smidge behind schedule. The annual Cactus Volleyball Tournament was last weekend.
Aw, pickles.
But if the Cactus Volleyball team can't get us back to the rim and we're too tired to hike back ourselves, we'll never get back in time to see the salt and pepper higgly bats. What are we gonna do?
Maybe we need the help of someone special.
Someone special, who could it be?
This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help.
But never fear-o. It looks like a job for a Higglytown hero.
A Higglytown hero.
They're Higglytown heroes, brave and true. They help the town with the things they do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero like a trail donkey. A trail donkey. I'm Hector, the donkey guide, and you look like you need a ride. If you're tired or just can't hop, ride a donkey to the top. Donkeys move with ease around switchbacks, trails, and rocky ground. Mountain steep or canyon cliffs. Hop on! They'll give you a lift.
Can you take a kangaroo to the peaks of Kathmandu?
Sure can do.
Could you haul a giant snail down a long and winding trail?
Never fail. Traveling roos or snails so large, count on donkeys to take charge. Precious cargo, heavy loads, strength and courage help them go. We're Higglytown heroes, bold and good. We help our friends just like we should.
So work real hard, that's what we'll do, so we can be a hero, just like you. A hero just like you.
Here we are, back on the canyon rim.
Yay!
Hey, kitty climbers, you made it! And just in time. Bat time, that is! Look!
Whoa!
To the Bat Caves!
Any second now.
Looky there.
Thanks for getting us out of the canyon in time to see the salt and pepper higgly bats, Mr. Hector Donkey Guide. They were amazing.
They were more than amazing. They were awesome.
They were fan-wonder-beautiful-tastic.
Aw, don't thank me. Thank our donkey friends. They did all the hard work. Even when the trail was steep and rocky and rough, those donkeys never gave up. And if you kids never give up when the going gets tough for you, then you too will be
Higglytown heroes!
Wow!
That was so awesome!
High Country Hiccups.
Ooh, I love making snowballs.
Look what we made.
A big snowball.
Yep, that's a mighty big snowball you got there. Yes, sir.
Hey, kids, how's the snow?
It's perfect for making snowballs. And I bet it's perfect for snowboarding, too.
It sure looks it.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Look, kids, the highest, hilliest place in all of Higglytown, Higgly Mountain.
Wow, all the trees and people look small from up here.
Okay, kids, careful getting off.
Ooh, 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 dearie me. Snowboarding sure is slippery.
Fran!
Fran!
Where is she?
Yoo-hoo, I'm up here, don't you know? Ooh, hi-ya, hup, ooh, hup, ta-da!
Hooray! That's a great trick, Fran. And I ought to know. I was a bit famous for hot dogging back in the day.
Hot dogging means doing cool snowboarding tricks. Right, Dad?
That's right, Kip. Let's show 'em how it's done. I call this trick Frips Flip.
And I call this trick Kip's Flip. All you have to do is balance, jump up, and land. Look, Dad, I'm hot dogging just like you.
Yay! Ooh, ooh, I want to try a snowboarding trick.
Me too.
Well, I can teach you some snowboarding tricks, just like my dad taught me.
Yeah!
Come on and have some fun, and we'll show you how it's done. Hot dogging in the snow.
Look out down below. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hot dogging in the snow. Check it out, grommets. I'm getting real big air.
I'm gonna do a fakie.
Not too fast. Let's all take it easy.
You guys are still a little shaky.
I call this Jump the Fairy Princess.
I'm gonna do a higgly hop and pop.
I call this trick the flying squirrel.
My trick is coming to a stop.
You kids are catching on. Now let's really have some fun.
Hot dogging in the snow.
Look out down below. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hot dogging in the snow.
The half pipe's open. Let's shred from wall to wall.
I'm gonna do an ollie.
Come on, kids. Just follow the leader.
I think we've got it, by golly.
I call this jump the Flying Pink Princess.
I like to call this one the UB stall.
This one's called the 360 Squirrel.
My trick is learning not to fall.
Come on and have some fun, and we'll show you how it's done.
Hot dogging in the snow.
Look out down below. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hot dogging in the snow.
Boarding sure is fun.
When you're carving up a run.
Hot dogging in the snow.
Flying down a hill.
Sure gives a kid a thrill.
Hot dogging in the, hot dogging in the, hot dogging in the snow.
Hey! Looking good, Higgly Shredders.
Pizza Guy!
I'll bet Pizza Guy knows some great snowboarding tricks.
Oh, I sure do. On these slopes, I am known as the Cheese Shredder. Check it out. I call this trick the Toss a Pizza Twist. Whoa! And here's one I call the Rock and Roll Cheese Slide.
Those are super tricks.
Oh man, that's nothing, Higgly Dudes! You should watch me ride at the Higglytown Snowboarding Showdown. I am gonna be doing my most famous trick, the Goopy Loopy Pepperoni Pizza Spin!
Where is it?
How do you get there?
Oh, to get to the Higglytown Snowboarding Showdown, just head straight down the mountain from here. It's easy cheesy. See you down the mountain, Higgly Boarders!
Wayne giggled so much he got the hiccups.
Wayne can't snowboard with the hiccups.
Sure I can. Guess I can't snowboard with the hiccups. But we need to get down Higgly Mountain to see Pizza Guy do his famous trick. What do we do?
We'll just have to find a way to get rid of your hiccups.
Why don't we build a Higgly Tower and put Wayne up there on top? The thin air might help stop the hiccups, don't you know?
Maybe we could hold his hiccups in.
This is terrible.
Hey, I have an idea. We can try the hot dog hiccup cure. I used it when I was a boy. All you gotta do is balance 3 hot dogs while you've got a spoon on your nose, like this. Give her a try, Wayne.
Okay.
I don't hear any hiccups.
I think the hot dog hiccup cure might have just worked there.
Now we can all snowboard down the mountain and see Pizza Guy do his famous trick. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna... Whoopsie. What's that sound?
Oh, my!
That's our snowball!
Whoa! My wiggly whiskers. Now that's one monster-sized snowball.
The snowball's in our way. We can't ride down the mountain now.
At least the snowball surprised Wayne's hiccups away.
But now, how are we gonna get to see Pizza Guy's trick?
Ooh, I know. We'll just whistle for a rescue dog. Woof, woof. The rescue dog will bring us yummy hot chocolate to keep us warm while he delivers our message for help to the polar bears at the North Pole. Then the polar bears will come and scoop the snowball away so they can make very delicious snow cones for all the polar bear cubs. Yum, 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 yum. Ta-da!
That's one sweet idea there, Twinkle. But there's just one problem. I'm afraid polar bears already have plenty of snow to make snow cones up at the North Pole.
Aw, Pickles.
But if polar bears don't need any more snow to make snow cones, then we'll never get down the mountain to see Pizza Guy do the goopy loopy pepperoni pizza spin.
Maybe we need the help of someone special.
Someone special, who could it be?
This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help.
But never fear-o. It looks like a job for a Higglytown hero.
A Higglytown hero.
I'm a Higglytown hero, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero just like me. A hero just like me. I'm a ski patroller coming through. On ski slopes I know what to do. So worry not, you won't be late. I know another trail to take. Skiers, boarders, stuck in snow, I'll get you where you need to go. I warn of danger when you ski. These trails are safe because of me.
Could you help Jack and Jill get down an icy hill?
Coming on down. Could you help a skiing gnome to find his way home? It's all downhill from here. Hurt or lost, just give a shout. I'll ski right in to help you out. Remember, if you fall or stray, a ski patroller saves the day. I'm a Higglytown hero, bold and good. I help my friends just like I should.
So work real hard, that's what we'll do, so we can be a hero just like you. A hero just like you.
Thanks, Miss Ski Patroller. Without you, we never would have made it down the mountain.
My pleasure, kids. Rescuing people off mountaintops is my job. Just remember, snow sports can be dangerous if you're not careful. So don't forget to always wear your helmets on the ski trails. Pay attention to others around you, and don't go so fast you can't keep under control. If you follow these safety rules on the mountain, you too can be
Higglytown heroes!
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go watch Pizza Guy do his famous snowboarding trick.
The Goopy Loopy Pepperoni Pizza Spin!
And now, Higglytown folks, the one, the only Pizza Guy, the Cheese Shredder!
Way to go, Miss Ski Patroller! Now, how about some hot pizza for all you cool Higgly boarders? Yeah!
Yay!
Uh-oh, I think I've got the hiccups again.